10 must-have Amazon products to declutter and perfectly organize your home. In today's fast-paced world, a clutter-free home isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. An organized space can help reduce stress, boost productivity, and create a serene environment. If you're looking for ways to simplify your living space and make your home more functional, these must-have Amazon products are just what you need. From clever organizers to efficient storage solutions, these products are designed to declutter your home while enhancing its aesthetic appeal. The best part? They're all available on Amazon, making them easily accessible and affordable. Reel In Under Sink Organizer. When it comes to organizing a kitchen or bathroom, the under sink area can often become the most chaotic and disorganized space. The Reel In Under Sink Organizer offers a practical solution for this very problem. Designed to maximize the often overlooked space under your sink, this organizer helps you store cleaning supplies, toiletries, or other essentials in a neat and accessible way. The multi-layer design ensures that you can easily categorize and access your items without having to dig through cluttered boxes or bags. What sets this organizer apart is its adjustable shelving system, which can be customized to fit your specific needs. Whether you have tall bottles, small cleaning supplies, or extra sponges and cloths, the Reel In Under Sink Organizer provides ample space for everything. Its durable build and sleek design make it a perfect addition to both modern and traditional interiors. Storage Maniac Over-the-Door Shoe Organizer. Shoe storage is one of the most challenging aspects of home organization, especially if you have a growing collection of footwear. The Storage Maniac Over-the-Door Shoe Organizer is an ingenious solution that allows you to keep your shoes organized without taking up precious floor space. By utilizing the back of your door, this organizer helps you store up to 24 pairs of shoes in an efficient and accessible manner. No more digging through piles of shoes or trying to find a matching pair. Made from durable, high-quality fabric, the Storage Maniac Over-the-Door Shoe Organizer is designed to withstand daily wear and tear while offering a lightweight, breathable storage option. Moco Magnetic Key Holder. Keys are something we all use daily, but they can also be the most easily misplaced items in our homes. The Moco Magnetic Key Holder is the perfect solution to this common problem. This sleek, modern key holder uses powerful magnets to securely hold your keys in place, making it easier than ever to find them when you need them most. The holder can be mounted on the wall or placed on a metal surface, providing you with flexible options for organizing your keys in a way that suits your home layout. The magnetic design of the Moco key holder ensures that your keys are held securely, even when there's a lot of movement around them. It's a great addition to entryways, mudrooms, or anywhere you typically toss your keys when you come home. Nkana Floating Shelves Wall-Mounted. Wall-mounted shelves are a fantastic way to add storage space without sacrificing valuable floor area, and the Nkana floating shelves are one of the best solutions available. These sleek, minimalist shelves are perfect for displaying decor, storing books, or organizing everyday items like plants or toiletries. The floating design gives your space a modern, clean look while providing ample room for storage. Whether you're outfitting your living room, bedroom, or bathroom, these shelves offer a stylish way to declutter while keeping your items easily accessible. One of the standout features of Nkana floating shelves is their sturdy construction. Made from high-quality wood and metal brackets, they can support a wide range of items without sagging or falling. The shelves are easy to install, and their simple design complements virtually any home decor. LifeWit 9-Pack Drawer Dividers. Keeping your drawers organized can be a challenge, especially when you have a variety of small items that tend to get lost in the clutter. The LifeWit 9-Pack Drawer Dividers offer a practical solution for dividing your drawer space into neat, customizable compartments. Whether you're organizing your clothing, office supplies, or kitchen utensils, these dividers allow you to create separate sections for different items, making it easy to locate what you need without having to search through everything. Made from durable, high-quality material, the LifeWit drawer dividers are both flexible and adjustable to fit a variety of drawer sizes. Their sturdy design ensures that they won't bend or break over time, even with frequent use. The dividers are easy to install and remove, allowing you to reconfigure your drawer organization as needed. Life Expandable In-Sink Dish Drying Rack. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and messy dish drying areas, the Life Expandable In-Sink Dish Drying Rack is the solution you've been looking for. This innovative dish rack fits neatly inside your sink, offering a space-saving alternative to traditional countertop drying racks. It expands to accommodate various dish sizes, including plates, bowls, and cups, while also providing a spot for utensils and knives. With its expandable design, you can adjust the rack to fit the exact size of your sink, ensuring that all your dishes are neatly organized and easy to dry. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Life Dish Drying Rack is built to last and resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. BLS LED Closet Light. Lighting is essential in any home, but it's often overlooked when it comes to closet spaces. The BLS LED Closet Light provides an efficient and convenient lighting solution for your closets, wardrobes, or cabinets. This motion-sensing light automatically turns on when it detects movement, offering bright, energy-efficient illumination exactly when you need it. With its easy installation process, no wiring required, you can quickly add this light to any area in your home that needs a little extra brightness. The BLS LED Closet Light is powered by long-lasting batteries, ensuring that it continues to provide reliable light without frequent battery changes. TopMart 8-Pack Food Storage Organizer Bins. Organizing your pantry can be a challenge, especially when you have a lot of different food items that come in various shapes and sizes. The TopMart 8-Pack Food Storage Organizer Bins offer an effective way to keep your pantry neat and accessible. These bins come in various sizes, allowing you to store everything from cans and bottles to cereal boxes and snacks. Their clear plastic design makes it easy to see what's inside, so you can quickly grab what you need without digging through the shelves. The TopMart Food Storage Organizer Bins are stackable, which means you can maximize your pantry's vertical space, keeping everything in order while saving space. D-Line Cable Management Box. In today's tech-driven world, cable clutter is a common problem that many people face. The D-Line Cable Management Box offers a simple yet effective way to organize and hide unsightly cords and cables. This box is designed to fit over power strips and cords, creating a tidy, streamlined look while preventing cables from tangling or becoming a safety hazard. The sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any room, whether it's your home office, living room, or entertainment center. The D-Line Cable Management Box is made from durable, fire-resistant material, ensuring safety and longevity. PinPlus Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. When you need extra storage but don't want to sacrifice style or space, the PinPlus Folding Storage Ottoman Bench is the perfect solution. This versatile piece of furniture functions as both a stylish bench and a storage unit, offering you a place to sit while keeping your items hidden away. It's ideal for use in the living room, bedroom, or entryway, where you can store everything from blankets and pillows to shoes and books. The folding design allows you to easily collapse the ottoman when not in use, saving you space when needed. Made from high-quality fabric, the PinPlus Storage Ottoman Bench is not only durable, but also comfortable. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can support weight while providing a comfortable seating area. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.